Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Teacher Fisher from Kangaroo Study. Today in our channel, we're going to learn one kind of logical reasoning problem. It is sequencing problem. Now, let's look at the question. Actually, this question comes from 2025 SASMO grade 3. And it said, 4 children, Adam, Bella, Charlie, and David are standing in the line. And each child holds one item, a book, a ruler, a backpack, or a calculator. And here are the clues. Adam is somewhere to the left of Bella. The child with the book is somewhere to the left of the child with the ruler. Charlie is somewhere to the right of the child who has the backpack. The child with the calculator is somewhere to the right of Charlie. David is standing between 2 other children. And the last one, the child with the ruler is not between 2 children. And it's asking which child is holding the book. When we look at this question, you may think, too many clues, I don't know how to do it. But no worries, just follow me and let's analyze the clues one by one. The first one, Adam is on the left side of Bella. Since Adam and Bella, they're standing in the line, so we can draw a line first. Then if I put Adam here, tell me, Bella is on his left side or right side? Right side. Because Adam is already on the left side of Bella, so Bella must be on the right side of Adam. And next one, the book is on the left side of ruler. They are also on the same line, so let's draw a line first. If I put the book here, tell me the ruler is on its left side or right side? Right side. The logic is similar to the first one. And the third one, Charlie is on the right side of backpack. Look at this clue. What is the difference of this clue and the previous 2 clues? For the previous 2 clues, they are comparing one child with another child or one item with another item. But for this clue, it is comparing the child with the item. But do we know Charlie is holding what item? We don't know. Do we know who is holding the backpack? We also don't know. So we cannot draw out the position relationship just with this single clue. Okay, no worries. Let's continue to analyze. First, the calculator must be on the right of Charlie. It's also comparing the item and the child. So can we draw out the position? No. Next one, David is between 2 other children. Do we know who are the other 2 children? We don't know. So can we draw out the relationship of position? Still no. No worries. Let's see the final one. The 6th one is that the child with the ruler is not between 2 children. Let's think about it. If we already draw a line and from left to right, let's name the 4 positions as first, second, third, and the 4th. Tell me, this ruler, it cannot be at which positions? The second and the third, if they are here, if they are at these 2 positions, it must be between 2 children. So it cannot be at these 2 positions. So tell me, it could be at which positions? The first and the 4th position. In other words, it could be at the far left or far right of this line. But do we know which one is correct? We don't know. Okay, that's all of the information we can get so far. Just now, we already analyzed each clue individually, and we found that the information we can get is limited. So if analyzing the clues individually is not enough, we can also analyze the clues from what way? Combine them. Okay, now let's relook at these 6 clues. Tell me, if I combine the first and the second clue, can we get any new information? No. In other words, if these 2 clues are not related to each other, we shouldn't combine them. So we should combine what kind of clues? The related ones. So tell me, among these 6 clues, which clues are related to each other? The 3rd and the 4th, because they are comparing Charlie. Now let's look at these 2 clues. Charlie is on the right of backpack, and calculator is on the right of Charlie. Then let's draw a line first. If I put Charlie here, then tell me, where is the backpack? Left side or right side? Left side. Then where is the calculator? Left side or right side? Right side. So to distinguish the items and the children, we put all of the items above the line. And we put all of the children under this line. Okay, this is what we can get from these 2 clues. And then, except for these 2 clues, is there any other clues related to each other? The second and the last one. Look at these 2 clues. Actually, we already got some information from these 2 clues. After we combine them, since there must be one book on the left side of ruler. So if this ruler is at far left, is it correct? No. So we need to remove it. So this ruler must be on the far right. So after we combine them, maybe we should move this ruler to the far right. Okay, next, let's combine all of the latest information. This is all of the latest information we can get so far. And we already know the position of this ruler. It must be at the far right. So let's move it here. Okay, amazing. We already know the specific position of 3 items. So where should we put the book? It must be between the backpack and the calculator. So this question is asking which child is holding the book. So tell me, who is holding the book? Charlie. Congratulations, we already solved this problem. But we can continue to figure out for the other children, they are holding what items. For these 4 children, we already know Charlie is holding what item. And for Adam, can we determine he's holding what item? Oh, cannot. We only know Adam is on the left side of Bella. So how about Bella? Can we determine Bella is holding what item? Still no. So let's look at the 5th clue. David is standing between 2 other children. So tell me, David is holding what item? Can David hold the backpack? No. If he holds the backpack, he's not between 2 other children. Can David hold the ruler? Still no. The reason is the same. So David must hold what item? The calculator. So now we already determined 2 children's positions. So Adam must hold what item? Since Adam must be on the left side of Bella and only 2 positions left. So Adam must hold the backpack here. And how about Bella? She must hold the ruler. Congratulations! We already solved all of the positions. Now, for this kind of problem is what we say logic reasoning problem. More specifically, it's about sequencing problem. To solve this kind of problem, the first step is to draw a line. And if we cannot get enough information from one single clue, we should combine the related clues. And what is the related clues? They could compare the same person or they could compare the same item. Okay, now you already understand how to do this kind of questions. So I also prepare another question for you. Now you can stop this video and take a screenshot of this video. Then try to figure out this question by yourself. Then after that, if you want to check the correct answer of this question or you don't know how to do it, you can directly text me. Here is my contact information. Please feel free to save it and text me if you have any questions. And you can also scan the QR code on the right side to join our group because we will share more information about other questions, mock exams, open classes, and so on. Now, thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye-bye.